Hi, this is Matthew from RetroEdge.tech, and on a previous video I had talked about how the LBRY program client that you can run on your own computer can be downloaded as an app image on Linux, and so I showed how to do that. Now there's a new version of LBRY out, newer than what I currently have installed, and you can see on the LBRY.com/Linux page that it is now currently at version 0.42.0. And how I keep my app images is I keep them in a folder in NextCloud that gets synced. So how NextCloud works is that it keeps, you can set it up in a variety of ways, but how I have it is I have it so that it's synced on each of my computers. And then I also have it sync with the NextCloud server itself. So in here I have LBRY version 0.41, and the new version is 0.42. And then I also have some other apps in here as well. To record this, I'm actually using the AppImage of OBS Studio, and that's what I'm using to record this right now. So the app images do work well. There are some little limitations, and it's a little bit different, but I'm going to show the process of updating this. And so what you may be used to in Linux is using a package manager and just running an update command, or have to download a package and then install it. AppImage is different, so let's do it. Go over here, and we'll just download the AppImage. Let's see how quickly it gets. We'll do save file, and yeah, that's pretty fast. Almost done there. And so when that's done downloading, I'm going to open it up in my downloads folder. And there it is. It's downloaded. Just going to minimize my browser and go to my downloads folder here. And you can kind of see that here there's version 42 and there's version 41. So with app images, you don't have to install them. You don't have to run through installer. It's just you make them executable, and there they are. I just want to show you a few Cinnamon desktop shortcuts. I've got two windows here, and you can see how they kind of overlap each other. And if I had them here, they'd be kind of hiding that window. And I want to drag this one over here. Don't need to for this demonstration, but if I press the Windows key or super key and then the left arrow, then this window snaps to the left side. Then I can select this window, press the super key and the right arrow, and it snaps to the other side. And so you can see you can have two windows that tile to each other with those shortcut keys, and that works on the Cinnamon desktop. And then if I press the kind of opposite arrow, so in this case I press the super and left arrow, in this case super and right arrow, and it brought them back to their positions before. So it's just kind of a nice shortcut that works in any Cinnamon, and I think in the GNOME desktop as well, but this works really well in Cinnamon. So if you're on Linux Mint, these shortcut keys will work great to kind of like separate and bring up your windows. So to update the LBRY program, I just take the downloaded one and put it in my NextCloud apps folder, and now this will be synced. And so I can see down here that the NextCloud app is synced, and now that's synced to my NextCloud servers, and then will be synced to the other computers that I have as well. Now I can then just simply delete the old one, the old version. There, it's gone, and now here's the new one. Now, with all app images, I do have to make it executable. Of course, there's a command line way to do this, but in the file manager, I can just right-click on it, go to Properties, go to Permissions, and then say Allow Executing File as a Program. And then that's it. And then I can just double-click it, and up it comes. And here's the last page that I was watching, something about the Joplin note-taking app, and Brian Jenks had done a video on it, and I hope to experiment and use the Joplin note-taking app as well. I haven't yet, but I plan to soon. And then my channel, I am RetroEdge.tech on LBRY, and so feel free to follow me there. that's about all that I wanted to share. Oh, one cool thing to note is that now this will be synced with my other computers, but when it does the NextCloud sync, I will have to go to properties and make it executable on those other computers as well. So it doesn't automatically make it executable on the other computers that I've synced it with, because on each computer it has to be executable for that computer. So I do have to do that but this is pretty cool, because then all the applications, as I grow my AppImage library, the applications that I want to use are synced to all the computers that I have this set up with, and I only have to update them in one place for my apps to be updated on all my computers. That's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.